Is grammar really important? Yes, grammar is important, but how important it is? It depends on your goal. If your goal is to communicate clearly, confidently, and correctly, then grammar plays a big role. Think of grammar as the foundation of a building. Without it, your message might be shaky or misunderstood. However, you don't need to become a grammar expert to speak in English. Well, you just need to know enough grammar. I mean to say the basic one, just to express your thoughts clearly. Let's understand this with a real life example. Imagine two people going to a restaurant. The first person says, I no want food. Bring me water. The second person says, I don't want to eat right now. Could you please bring me a glass of water? Now both are trying to say the same thing, but the second one sounds more polite, confident, and clear. The first person is understandable, but the lack of grammar may makes the listener pause or feel confused for a while. So yes, grammar helps you sound more professional, respectful, and fluent. Another practical example. Let's say you are at a job interview. You say, I work yesterday. This is incorrect grammar because yesterday needs past tense, like worked. I worked yesterday should be correct. Even if the interviewer understands what you mean, they may assume that your communication skills are weak, and that might affect your chances of getting the job. Now think about a teacher or something giving a presentation. If they constantly make grammar mistakes, the audience might get distracted or may not take them seriously. But here's something important: don't let the fear of grammar stop you from speaking. Many people wait too long thinking, I'll speak English only when my grammar is perfect. That is not the right approach, actually. If I would have taken that approach, I may not be able to speak English even now. So you learn grammar by using a language: reading, listening, speaking, and writing. Start with the basic grammar rules like tenses, sentence structures, and common verbs. With regular practice, grammar will become natural to you. It will come to you naturally. In daily life, people care more about your message than your grammar. If you say something like, I go to market yesterday, it's not correct, but people will still understand you. However, once you correct it to, I went to the market yesterday, you leave an impression on them. That's it. It's all about that. You sound more fluent, you sound accurate, and that builds confidence and respect also. So in short, grammar is important, especially for writing, interviews, public speaking, and formal communication. You don't need to master grammar to start speaking. Honestly, start small, speak more, learn from your mistakes, and you will naturally improve. So yes, grammar matters, but it's not more important than confidence and practice. Use grammar as a tool, not as a fear. Keep learning, keep speaking, and you will grow stronger day by day. Just imagine the time when I was trying to learn this language. I struggled a lot with grammar because this was something naturally not coming to me. Because my approach was incorrect. I started with the grammar books. It will not come to you in that way. Never come to you. So what you have to do, you have to start speaking, and while you were in the process, automatically you will learn grammar. This is what happened with me. If you are new here and watching me for the first time, I would highly request you to go and watch the videos which I have posted 2 years ago. You will see the clear difference, not only in terms of grammar, but in terms of confidence, presentability, how am I representing, how my pronunciation was, and now. You will see the clear difference in all those things. So it takes time. It's a time taking process. So if you will keep waiting for perfect grammar, you may end up never speaking. Truly, I am telling you. I have seen people, I have met these kinds of people in my life. And I was literally shocked when they say that, yeah, I will start speaking in English once my grammar will be perfect. It won't perfect until you start speaking. The concept is this. So if you want to learn grammar for the day-to-day conversation, it is 100% that you should learn with the conversations and speaking. But if you want to master it, then definitely I would recommend you to join something, maybe an institution, and maybe you have to really focus deep into the grammar. Then only it comes to you. Because you may understand the basic grammar while speaking, but if you want to go deep into that, you have to put extra hard work. So if you want to be a public speaker, you have to face an interview, especially for an interview, I think you have to work little harder as compared to those who want to learn English for the day-to-day conversation, right? So first of all, you have to understand what your goal is. Your goal is to become a best communicator like a Shashi Tharoor, or you want to learn English for the daily conversation like I'm speaking to you, or you want to communicate with your friends, or in general when you go to restaurant, you want to place orders in English. So if you want to learn for those, you can learn just by speaking. So many times I have seen this question, people asking like, ma'am, my grammar is not good, how to speak English, how to learn, could you please give me grammar classes? So I don't give any kind of grammar classes, nor I even give normal spoken English classes, because I personally feel that I am on my learning stage. It's not that I'm waiting for perfection, but I want myself to be consistent on this path. Then only I start tutoring others. Because I am not consistent. I'm creating this solo video after I think 15 to 20 days. It's been 15 days that I haven't created any single video. Because I'm not consistent. Because of my kids, I don't get time to create solo videos. If it is about conversational videos, it's quite comfortable and easy to make. For solo, you have to put a lot of hard work. So, or yeah, one more thing, that as I said that I want to teach. The reason is only that I want to master it. Because I have heard this thing many times that people say, if you teach English to somebody, you will learn faster. Because the concept which you understand in the morning, if you share it in the afternoon with someone, 100% your base is getting stronger. For that reason only I want to teach. I want to speak. I want to speak more. And yeah, I think your grammar funda is clear now by the time. Like, why do you want to learn grammar? If your goal is different, you have to learn it in a different way. If your goal is something else, you have to follow different strategies. And the last thing is that it's not difficult. People feel that it's very difficult to understand grammar. It's not difficult if you follow the right approach. It's all about the approach you are following. If you choose the right methods, it's never be difficult for you. If you go with the wrong methods, like me, it'll be difficult. It took me 2 to 3 years to understand the grammar, and now when tutor says that, Karishma, I haven't found any grammar mistakes, I feel so proud. Literally, I feel so proud when I heard something like that, when I hear something like that. I think so that's it for today's video. I was thinking to create a just short video of 3 to 4 minutes, but soon, like since I start speaking, I don't know from where it comes. And obviously the video is not always scripted as completely. So sometimes when it comes to put my point of view, the video always gets longer. So I think this is it for today. I hope you like this video, and if you really like, then please press the like button, subscribe for more videos, and I'll keep sharing my thoughts about English, and I'll keep motivating you on your journey. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.